Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to make the cat move randomly. Not just gliding randomly, but moving in 4 directions randomly. So, go to Events, when green flag clicked, go to Control, grab a forever loop, grab an if-else loop, duplicate that and put it in the else. Duplicate it again so there's 3 if-elses. Now get an if-then and put it in the very last else. So go to Variables, rename the my variable. Let's call it 1 to 4. So put the 4 statements in the forever loop. So forever, we want to set 1 to 4 to go to operators. Pick random 1 to 4. Get an equal sign, duplicate it 4 times, and put it in each of the if-elses and the if-thens. So go to Variables. If 1 to 4 is 1, for the first one, if 1 to 4 is 2 for the second one, if 1 to 4 is 3 for the third one, and if 1 to 4 is 4 in the fourth one. So if 1 to 4 is 1, go to Motion. I want to change Y by 10, but go to Control, repeat 10. Maybe we can change it to 5. So now you can duplicate that, but this time instead of changing Y by 10, we want to change Y by minus 10. If pick random 1 to 4 is 2. Duplicate that again. You can delete the change Y by minus 10. Go to Motion. This time we want to change X by 10. If pick random 1 to 4 is 3. Now duplicate that one last time, but this time instead of 10, make it minus 10. So if pick random 1 to 4 is 4, then we want to repeat 5, change X by minus 10. Now if you click the green flag, you see it'll move randomly. But one thing, sometimes it keeps on bumping into the walls, so go to Events. When green flag clicked, go to Control, grab a forever loop, and go to Motion. Grab a if on edge bounce block and put in the forever loop. Now if it's on the edge, then it'll bounce. That's it for this tutorial. If you liked it, remember to like, subscribe, and share. Bye!